Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the eye area so pigments behave predictably. Gently cleanse lids to remove oils, then apply a thin, even layer of primer. This increases adhesion and prevents creasing. Once the primer is tacky, dust a small amount of translucent powder or a neutral shadow to create an even canvas. This step matters because it controls fallout, improves blending, and keeps colors true. Make sure to tap off excess product before moving on to preserve a clean application. Next, you build dimension by working from crease to lid. Start with a transition shade using a fluffy brush and windshield wiper motions to map the socket. This softens contrasts. Once blended, pack the main lid color with a flat brush, tapping to deposit pigment rather than dragging, because tapping preserves vibrancy. Then blend the seam between lid and crease using soft circular strokes until edges vanish. Once done, step back, check symmetry, and add depth where the outer corner needs more definition. To finish, define the eye with liner placed tight to the lash line. Smudge lightly if you prefer softness, or keep a clean wing for structure. Curl lashes, then apply 1 to 2 mascara coats, allowing a few seconds to dry between coats to avoid clumping. If fallout or uneven edges occur, clean up with a cotton swab dipped in micellar water, or sharpen the shape using a small concealer brush for crisp lines. If smudging persists, set with translucent powder to lock everything in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.